is Tuesday, so when I upload this, I think it'll be Vlogmas Day 14. Sorry if you guys can hear my dishwasher in the background. I just got it going, and right now I am getting some stuff out to put a chicken tortilla soup recipe in the crock pot, and it's supposed to be like a skinny version. So yeah, I'm defrosting some chicken, which I think it's ready to go, and then I gotta get some more of my ingredients, and my pantry's a mess, like a hot mess, and I really need to organize it. Like, it's horrible. I organized it when I went grocery shopping, but now I just got a mess again. So yeah, I'm getting all the ingredients out for that. I've never made this recipe before, so I hope that it is yummy. But a soup just sounds really, really good. I also have stuff to make chili, but I really want to try this chicken tortilla soup recipe. So I'll show you guys how I get that in the crock pot. Yeah, that's pretty much the rest of the day. I don't even know. I got some presents wrapped yesterday. Let me show you guys. It's mostly all Emma's presents except for like her Santa presents. So it goes like all the way back here. I freaking love this wrapping paper. I think it's so cute with the snowman and the owls and the Christmas trees and there's little reindeer. I love, love, love this wrapping paper. So today I think I'm gonna wrap some of our family's presents, and I really don't know. I'm really struggling today to have any energy to want to do anything or get anything done. My boyfriend got me a coffee from McDonald's, a peppermint mocha with no whipped cream and non-fat milk, so I'm drinking that, hoping it'll give me some energy. It's already 9:55 and Emma left for school 2 hours ago, and I'm just now getting up and doing stuff. I was watching the Teen Mom Unseen Moments that I had on my DVR. But yeah, I'm gonna get my crock pot and get all this stuff going. Here it is all mixed in. The chicken's still a little bit frozen on the bottom, so I might need to cook it a little bit longer, but for now I'm going to put it on for low for 6 hours, and then when it's done, I'm going to top it with these tortilla strips. So it smells really good. I'm really bad at chopping stuff, and the onions just got me crying. My eyes are watering so much. All my mascara came off, so I gotta go clean that up. But yeah, so I'm gonna cook it on low for 6 hours and see how it is. But it smells really, really good. So I'm excited for that. You guys, I am struggling today to really find some energy. I'm just so tired today. It is almost 1 o'clock, and all I've done since I got the soup in the crock pot is watch YouTube videos. Like, I have just been laying in bed, watching what I got my kids for Christmas videos. And since I just filmed one, and I just want to see what other people got their kids, and I'm just really struggling today. So it is definitely a 2-cup of coffee day. I'm going to have some of the cinnamon sugar cookie coffee and pray this gets me going a little bit more. How cute is my little omelet though? It's adorable. But yeah, I'm just struggling so much. I don't know what it is. It is that time of the month for me, so I don't know if that has something to do with it, but I don't know if I'm gonna get anything done today because I just can't. I literally feel like I can't do anything. I'm struggling so much. But I'm gonna make myself some coffee and see how I feel after that.
Okay.
It is 5 o'clock now, and we're ready for dinner, so let's see how the chicken tortilla soup turned out. I already shredded the chicken about 20 minutes ago, and it's all done. It smells really, really yummy. So I'm just going to dish some up in my super cute snowman bowl, and Emma's having breakfast for dinner. She's having a waffle and some eggs and fruit because she does not, I know she won't eat this. So here is my bowl with the tortilla strips. I just use these fresh gourmet ones. They're supposed to be for salads, but I put it on here. So I'm going to give this a try, or I'm going to eat it for dinner and then give Emma a bath when she's done, and then we have to do a sheet of her homework. So yeah, there's yummy dinner. Time for Miss Emma's bath, and I'm going to pick out her PJs. I'm guessing she will want pets. Look how full her freaking pajama drawer is. Like, it's probably one of the things I buy the most is pajamas. And that's not even it. Those are all sets. And this down here is like nightgowns, but she doesn't wear them that much during the winter time, just the long sleeve ones. Are you ready for your bath? Yeah? Okay, go take your clothes off. Do you want bubbles? Yes? So yes, please. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Emma.
Me, take a toy.
You can pick one toy. Okay, let's go. Yeah? Huh? Can you take it off? Okay. Emma's in the bath, and I just got done doing the dishes, and I have the leftovers in a bowl cooling down. Look how much that is left over. That's like our lunches. Well, actually, I took out some ground beef to cook for taco salads for my lunches this week, and I actually have to do that tonight, and I totally forgot, or it's going to go bad. So we'll probably have this for leftovers tomorrow for dinner, and then my boyfriend will take it for lunch. But yeah, that made a lot. But it's 5:30. I'm just going to do Emma's homework with her and then relax till her bedtime. And that's going to be the end of Vlogmas Day 14. I hope you guys enjoyed, even though I hope it wasn't too boring with my struggling to get anything done or find energy today. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.